a child of God dies, the moment that you come out of your body, that is, somebody is declared dead, and he comes out, the next thing you hear, now, because I have been there many times in eternity where men of so many countries die, from so many nations of the world. When they die and come out, avalo, hey. Now, when that song starts coming, the song represents the presence of Yeshua, the owner of eternity. And then the soul that came out of his body, we start finding out where the sound is coming from, because he's confused. It's a song of peace. It is what God used to introduce celestial cities. When that dead person come out of the body, the first thing that introduced Yeshua is song. That's why you don't play with heavenly song. And then after the song is coming and the person is looking for where the song is coming from, the light of God's word will start coming from the heart of Yeshua to find him if he's a saint. As that light is coming, Yeshua will start speaking from the light. As he is talking from that light, he's approaching the man. That means if you don't want to miss Jesus, you will not play with the sound that introduces his light. And you cannot play with the word that bears the light. And then you cannot trifle with Jesus, who is one with his word.